To track Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce. Start by enabling e-commerce tracking in your Google Analytics account. This is done by navigating to the admin section, selecting the view you want to enable e-commerce for, and clicking on e-commerce settings under the view column. Toggle the Enable e-commerce button to on and also enable enhanced e-commerce reporting if you want to track detailed product and transaction data. Next, you need to add the e-commerce tracking code to your website. This can be done using Google Tag Manager or by manually adding the code to your website's pages. The code will track product impressions, product clicks, and other e-commerce related actions. To track product impressions, use the data layer to push product information to Google Analytics. This includes product name, category, price, and other relevant details. For product clicks, use event tracking to send data to Google Analytics when a user clicks on a product. This can be done using the GA function and specifying the event category, action, and label. To track transactions, use the e-commerce tracking code to send transaction data to Google Analytics when a user completes a purchase. This includes transaction ID, revenue, tax, shipping, and product information. Best practices for tracking Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce include using a data layer to organize and manage your e-commerce data, testing your e-commerce tracking code to ensure it is working correctly, and using segments and filters to analyze your e-commerce data in Google Analytics. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively track Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce and gain valuable insights into your website's e-commerce performance. This will help you make informed decisions to optimize your e-commerce strategy and improve your website's conversion rates. Key concepts to keep in mind when tracking Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce include data layers, event tracking, and transaction tracking. Understanding these concepts and how to apply them is crucial to getting the most out of Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce tracking. Practical examples of enhanced e-commerce tracking include tracking product impressions on a category page, tracking product clicks on a product details page, and tracking transactions on a checkout page. By applying these concepts and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce tracking and take your e-commerce strategy to the next level.